The room was dead silent. Then suddenly, he felt a sneeze coming. Not now. He instantly pinched his nose, shut and sealed his mouth tight trying to stop it, before everyone heard. A tiny squeak escaped. That's it. Nobody noticed, but inside his body, something terrifying happened. A sneeze launches air at over 100 miles per hour, and by blocking it, he trapped all that force inside his head. The pressure exploded backward through his throat and slammed into his ears. Both eardrums ruptured instantly. His hearing faded into a painful ringing. Then the pressure moved into his eyes, bursting blood, vessels, and turning them deep red, but it still wasn't over. The trapped air tore through the soft tissue in his throat, leaking air. Beneath his skin, every swallow sounded like bubble wrap cracking inside his neck. He tried to smile and act normal, but with blood-red eyes, deaf ears, and a crackling throat. Your body is trying to let something out for a reason. He realized one horrifying thing.